everyone. When I started my online endeavor, I didn't have any skills. I didn't have any special knowledge to be able to start my online business. And now looking at it, I'd say you don't need any previous experience or any special skills. You just need the right system and daily action for you to get to your goal. Okay, so you might be working very hard, might be doing 12 hour, 13 hour, 14 hours. I used to be a truck driver and I used to drive between 12 to 16-hour shift every single day, right? Which was just crazy. And despite of working so hard, I barely had any income at the end of the month. And now because I took that action step, I now don't work that hard, okay, and I'm still earning automated income. So if you want to know more about it, you can just comment info and I'll be able to share what I did and what system I'm actually using to be able to generate automated income. Thank you. Bye for now.